Are you looking for a free online risk assessment and safety statement tool? Then look no further than BeSMART.ie. BeSMART.ie is a free online safety statement and risk assessment tool developed by the Health and Safety Authority. It is available 24 hours a day and is completely confidential, so the Health and Safety Authority cannot see your risk assessment details. Using it will help you reduce the chances of injury and illness in your workplace and help you fulfill your legal obligation to manage health and safety. Before you start, decide if you want to create an account or continue as a guest user. Registered users can save progress, complete and update safety statements later, create custom business types, and manage action lists online. It is completed in a simple 4-step process. Step 1. Select your business type. Visit BeSMART.ie. First, you must find the business type that best matches your business. This can be done from the home page by selecting View All Business Types and locating your business type by alphabetical order. From the home page, you can also search by the sector that best matches your business. If you have already created an account, you can also choose your business type by logging in, starting a new risk assessment, typing in the first 3 or 4 letters of your business type and selecting from the drop-down list. Step 2. Risk assessment. You will be brought to the hazard panel to assess the hazards relevant to your business type. Click on any of the hazards to get started. First, you must decide if the hazard is relevant to your workplace. If it's not, click No, and then select Save and Continue to move on to the next hazard. If the hazard is relevant, select Yes. You will then be presented with a list of control measures that you should have in place to prevent the hazard from causing harm. Read each control and answer Yes if it is already in place and No if it is not. If you have additional controls or information relevant to the hazard, you can add them by selecting Yes on the last statement at the bottom of each hazard. Repeat this process for all the hazards in the panel. You will not be able to continue to the next step until all the hazards in the panel are marked as complete. Once you have completed all the hazards, you will be presented with a list of all the control measures you answered No to. You can then decide if these controls need to be put in place. If so, you can add them to the action list. If the control measure is not applicable, you can select this and provide a reason. Step 3. Consultation. As an employer or a manager, legally you must talk to your employees and safety representatives about the hazards present in your workplace. You must also explain how you plan to manage these risks through your risk assessments. It's important to listen to your employees' suggestions and concerns about health and safety, and make any necessary changes to your risk assessments. You should also take a walkthrough of the workplace to ensure that the control measures you listed in your risk assessments are in place and working correctly. If you identify any new hazards, make sure to include them in your risk assessments. Once you've completed these steps, click Confirm and Continue. Step 4. Download and manage. Once you reach the management screen, you can download your safety statement and fill in all the necessary details related to your workplace, such as company and safety representative information, welfare facilities, emergency contact information, training records, and anything else that is important for managing health and safety in your workplace. As a part of the management process, it is essential to put in place and document any additional control measures identified from risk assessments. You can use the Manage Your Action List function or record them directly on your safety statement document. It is also crucial to regularly review your risk assessments and safety statement annually, or when there are changes in workplace activities or after accidents and near misses or employee concerns. This will ensure that your control measures are relevant and working. Managing health and safety is a continuous process, and you may need to carry out new risk assessments. You can use the Browse Hazard function on the management screen to choose from over 500 hazards available on the platform. As industry practices and activities change, it may be necessary for us to update the risk assessments for your business type. Registered users will receive a notification about any such changes when they log into their account and will be required to update the relevant sections of their hazard panel. Register today for a safer and healthier workplace.